Our last, but not least, recipient or the finalist for the Innovation Excellence Award is TARUS, and I'm going to ask George Cook, Vice President of TARUS, to join us.
Hello, I'm George Cook with TARUS. We make large 5-axis CNC machines for heavy industry. TARUS is all about vertical integration. In one building comes raw steel and aluminum, and out the back building is a multi-million-dollar machine. Because we do everything internally and don't rely on the outside world for very much, vertical integration forces us to be innovative. So in the 1970s, we wrote our own software to make our own CNC control. We created a graphical user interface 2 years before Apple did. We invented the clay mill for ever-changing car design worldwide. There's way more, but I've only got 2 minutes. Because we had software chops dating back to the 1970s, we were the first adopters of ERPs in the early 1990s. None held up to their promises. So what did we do? We created our own ERP called VERAX for ourselves, and is now used by companies in the United States and Canada. TARUS exports to 5 continents worldwide, so we see firsthand how other manufacturing centers around the world work. There's only 2 or 3 other places in the world where, with the manufacturing synergy that Michigan offers. This makes Michigan very special. So, to be recognized by the MMA, the premier manufacturing association in America, for innovation excellence is truly a great honor. TARUS could not do these things without hardworking, dedicated employees who brought these innovations to life and customers who bought into our vision. We are extremely grateful to them as well. Thank you.